Okay, now what if we have multiple jobs and I don't need all the jobs to be shown here? I want to sort them out, for example. Actually, yeah, you can create views. Okay, so from here you can see you can add the view, and here you can put either it is a list view, so show items in a simple list format. You can choose which jobs are to be displayed in which view, or my view, which is this view automatically display all jobs that the current user has an access to, which is the ABC user. All right, the view name here, let's put it first, and I want to choose list view, for example, so for all users. And here you can see that description, filter, job filters, as you can see, and a lot of things here like the columns, the status, weather, name to be shown. Now from here you can select the jobs. So I want to select this job, which is for the first, and okay, you can see that we have first now, and it contains only the test job. I want to create another one, let's name it second, and I want it to be list view. Okay, and from here you can see that I want to select the job 2 and whatever columns you want to add or remove, and then okay, then you can see that on the first we have the test job, on the second we have the test job 2. All right, on the all the jobs will be here. Okay, it is very simple. This is just to arrange and sort your jobs. So for example, you have a staging server and has a lot of jobs, let's say 50 jobs for staging and 60 job for production, and for testing something else, for development something else, or for the department, and so on. You can just arrange that and sort it out to be something more elegant and tidy. All right, okay, thanks for watching.